Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use Capcut to do a makeup. It should be simple and easy. So first of all, I got the clip in Capcut. All I need to do is do copy and paste. So I got second clip. What I need to do is just move it to the right side so you can see they are the exactly same video. So I'm gonna do the makeup on the second one. So all I need to do is highlight this video and go to the video section. Then under the video section you go enhance, scroll down, above the body you got this option called makeup. Select makeup and goes to set and click on whatever makeup you like to apply to this beautiful face, and instantly you can see the makeup being applied. If I play this video, it looks perfect. So you don't have to worry any physical makeup if you want to make a video like this. It saves you a huge amount of time to do makeup physically. So this is fantastic tool. If you want to go to specific part of your face, you can go eyelashes, make a change to the eyelashes, eyeshadow. You can do lipstick, select what color you like. And also you can see there's one called degree. So what degree of the makeup you want to make. You want to make 100% or 0%. You have a choice. Same as here, if you say I want to make this face look like this, I want to apply this 100% or 0%. You have a choice to select the degree. On the other side, you have another choice called face. If you click on face, you can smooth the face. So the freckles are all gone, and you can make the face whiten, or even you can white the teeth. Okay, there's all other choices there too. You can do something to the face, make it longer or shorter. The eye, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can do the same to the mouth and the nose. You just explore those options by yourself. I'm sure you can do this very quickly by yourself, and also you can physically move. Say it's like a paint. You can see you can move some parts of the face to some degree until you are satisfied. So it is very cool. So this tool is really good. So I hope that will be helpful. Thank you for watching.